Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online business with Klaviyo step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Klaviyo account. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and key features. Connect your e-commerce platform to Klaviyo. Navigate to the integrations section. Select your e-commerce platform from the list. Follow the prompts to link your store to your Klaviyo account. Import your existing contacts into Klaviyo. Ensure your list is clean and compliant with regulations. Create your first email list or segment. Use segmentation to target specific audiences based on purchasing behavior. Set up sign-up forms to grow your email list. Use pop-ups or embedded forms on your website for maximum exposure. Design your email templates using Canva or Klaviyo's built-in editor. Keep your branding consistent across all email assets. Plan a content calendar for your email campaigns. Consider seasonal promotions, product launches, and customer anniversaries. Draft enticing subject lines that encourage opens. Use dynamic content to personalize your emails based on user behavior. Schedule your campaigns to align with peak engagement times. Monitor the performance of each email through Klaviyo's analytics. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use the insights to refine your campaigns. Experiment with A/B testing for subject lines and content. Utilize Klaviyo's automation features for targeted drip campaigns. Create abandoned cart emails to recover potential lost sales. Regularly clean your email list to maintain high deliverability rates. Engage with your audience through regular updates and valuable content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.